Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a unique tool for the timber industry. This is a set of rams for tipping over big wood, such as your redwoods, some large Douglas fir. There's two rams, each one capable of 55 tons at 10,000 psi. Comes in a backpack with a pump right here, and there's the top pads. It's all aluminum. Almost everything on this is aluminum for lightweight. 50 feet of hose with control knobs. And let me get it out of its rack. That's how you'd use it out in the woods. That's your pump and your two rams. You can use them independently. You can use one or the other, or shut one off, leave them both going. It's a pretty unique tool. There's a relief valve right here. I put hydraulic fluid in it. Pump works great. Ran the rams up and down. They work great. You will need to have this tested for safety before you use this for actual work. It hasn't been used in a couple years, and anytime you use hydraulic high pressure equipment, you need to have it tested before you go out and use it. But this would be ideal if you're into the cutting and getting the big wood down. One thing I need to mention is that gauge took a bump, and it took the glass out and the little measure. That'll need to be replaced. Those gauges run about $30.